In this video, I'll show you how to set up JupyterLab and Google Colab for machine learning. These are two of the most popular environments for writing and running Python code. The main difference is JupyterLab works offline, while Google Colab works online. JupyterLab is a modern, web-based development environment for notebooks, code, and data analysis. To install it, we use Anaconda, which you'll find linked in the description. Anaconda is a Python distribution that includes all the essential libraries for machine learning, such as scikit-learn, pandas, and NumPy, already installed. It's about 1 GB in size and works on all major operating systems. Once you download and install Anaconda, open your Start menu or Launchpad and search for Anaconda Navigator. Launch the Navigator, look for JupyterLab, and click Launch. If this is your first time running it, you may be asked to grant browser access or choose a default browser. You might also see a terminal or command prompt open briefly in the background. That's normal. When JupyterLab opens, click the File Browser icon. Navigate to the folder where you want to do your work. To create a new notebook, click the Notebook button. To rename it, right-click the Notebook tab and choose Rename Notebook. In the first cell, type a simple line of code to test your setup. To run the code, click the Run button or press Shift+Enter. Now let's look at Google Colab. Colab is a cloud-hosted version of Jupyter Notebook. There's nothing to install, and it provides free access to computing resources. You'll find the link in the description. To open an existing notebook, click Open. To create a new one, click New Notebook. This opens an interface that looks very similar to JupyterLab. To rename the notebook, simply click its name at the top and type in a new one. Again, write a simple line of code in the first cell and run it using Shift+Enter or by clicking the Play button. The first run may take a moment, but later runs will be much faster. If you have a dataset you want to use, click the Files button on the left sidebar. Then click Mount Drive to connect your Google Drive to the notebook. After mounting, navigate to the folder containing your dataset. Right-click the file and choose Copy Path. This gives you the full path you can use inside your notebook. And that's it. You now know how to set up both JupyterLab and Google Colab, two powerful tools for running machine learning code. In the next video, we will begin working with our first model.